Morning, Botai. Yesterday we started speaking about the halachot of not eating milk, dairy, when there's meat on the table, or vice versa. The Chachamim were concerned that a person might come to transgress the isur of basar v'chalav, and that's why there has to be a separation. We spoke about some hiterim yesterday, so we'll speak about some more today. First of all, if you have two people on the same table and they know each other, and one is eating dairy and one is eating meat, we spoke about one yesterday where they're sitting far enough that one can't reach to the other. Another one is, even if they're sitting close, they can put something called a hekir, which is a reminding object, something that's not usually on the table. It has to be a little bit high. For instance, it could be, even water that you drink from, even a pitcher of water can work. Bread, it can only work if you're not eating from the bread, and so on and so forth. It has to be a little bit of a tall item that's not usually on the table, and then and you put it between them, that'll remind them that they're each eating the different minim and they can't mix with one another. Nevertheless, this only applies to two people who are eating, which means if you have one person on the table, meaning a person's eating meat, let's say, and there's still dairy on the table, a hekir would not work. The Chachamim only allowed that hekir when there's two people because they'll come to remind one another. But a person, if he's eating alone, a person can get so engrossed in the food that he's eating that the Chachamim did not rely on the hekir. Only, there's one more thing that a person eating alone can do, is if a person appoints a shomer, a person appoints a guardian, which means if a person puts a hekir and tells a person, by the way, I'm eating now, I need you to watch me to make sure I don't eat the other mean, then the combination of the hekir and the guardian will work as long as the guardian is an adult. There's machloket haposkim whether or not a guardian who's a child will work. Agon Rabbi Yitzchak Yosef writes in his Yalkut Yosef that we hold that it does not, that a person has to be an adult in order to serve as a guardian in this capacity. Have a wonderful day.